The 75M OM3 LC fiber patch cable stands out as an exceptional choice for high-speed data transmission in a variety of settings. This 10 gigabits, 75-meter long fiber optic cable is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for numerous applications including educational institutions, corporate environments, military and defense sectors, government facilities, healthcare systems, financial industries, and commercial enterprises. Constructed with Corning 5125-micron core cladding, the cable ensures top-tier performance. Its laser-optimized multi-mode fiber (LOMMF) technology enhances data transmission efficiency, while the rugged black polyethylene jacket offers durability and protection in harsh environments. The zipcord reinforced design adds an extra layer of robustness, making it reliable for long-term use. The fiber patch cable features a duplex configuration, meaning it contains two fiber strands, which allows for simultaneous bidirectional data transfer. This is crucial for maintaining high-speed connectivity and ensuring data integrity. The LC-UPC to LC-UPC connectors provide a secure and stable connection, minimizing data loss and maintaining optimal performance. With a modal bandwidth of 1500-2000 MHz-km at 850 nanometers 1300 nanometers, this cable supports a range of Ethernet applications. 100 base FX for distances up to 2000 m, 1000 base SX for up to 550 m, requiring a mode conditioning patch cord, 10G base SR for up to 300 m, 40G base SR4 for up to 100 m, 330 m with QSFP SR4, and 100G base SR10 for up to 100 m. This versatility makes it suitable for both current and future network demands. The 75M OM3 LC fiber patch cable is OFNR riser rated, ensuring it meets safety standards for vertical runs and building risers. Its high-quality construction and reliable performance make it a top choice for any organization looking to enhance their network infrastructure with a durable and efficient fiber optic solution. In summary, the 75M OM3 LC fiber patch cable is an excellent investment for any high-speed network setup. Its combination of durability, performance, and versatility ensures it will meet the needs of a wide range of applications, providing a stable and reliable connection for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.